I would like to introduce you to the Botanical Print Workshop, and today you will learn how to make a print on the textile using the leaves that you can find around you. Using the nature, you can decorate old boring things that maybe you don't want to use anymore, but it's a way to make them more interesting and good again. So what we're gonna need is some leaves from you can collect it just around your house. You will need a piece of textile. The best is a cotton one, a simple tote bag or a t-shirt, some brushes and some sheets of paper and the paint. The perfect one is textile paint, but if you don't have an access to the textile paint, you can also use acrylic one. So we have our leaves, and we can just have a look on the leaf that we have. It has a front side and the back side, and the back side has a beautiful texture that will be very useful for our pattern. We just take a paint, a brush, and we paint on the back side of the leaf. We paint on the piece of paper just not to dirty our table. We should be fast, because if the paint dries, it's more difficult. But if you want, you can make some texture, some different colors. For example, the nerve of the leaves can be a little bit different. Everything is up to your imagination. And we take the leaf and we put it again upside down and place on our t-shirt or our cotton bag. And with another piece of paper, we just press it carefully in every part of the leaf, especially the nerves and the stem, and we put it up. So here is our pattern. Play with our imagination and make whatever we want. We can also have a monochromatic design, so like paint everything red or paint everything pink. It's like however we like. But in this case, I'm trying to show the real color of the foliage. Sometimes it's better to put the paper inside of your t-shirt or inside of your cotton bag, or it can be a piece of cardboard just to save the other side for the excess amount of paint. So we can continue like this for a very long time. We can make all the big design, but this is just to show you how it works. So after you finish, remember about ironing your t-shirt or ironing your bag, and you have your own beautiful design and you're an artist. Thank you.